Let's talk a little bit in this lesson about posting to our blog. I'm in the Chapter 4 folder and I've opened the file called index.html and Britain.html. I'm in Dreamweaver, which is my HTML editor of choice. You can use whichever one you prefer. I want to talk to you a little bit about working with excerpts and working with posts. So in the Britain file, you'll see that it's the full post. So it's a full page that's dedicated to that particular story, which in this case is about the Britain Bridge. If you go to the home page, which is index.html, you'll see that 4 stories have started here with just a little section of each story. That's called an excerpt. Just as in a newspaper where you want to draw the reader in, you don't just run one story on the main page, you run a number of different stories, and hopefully one of those is going to be enough to attract your user. That's what we do here. In this particular template that I chose, there is space for 4 different stories and 4 different excerpts. So from this page for each individual story, for example, Britain.html, I can go in here and choose a section of text, copy and paste it into the excerpt area for that particular story. So when you're going in and adding posts to your blog, you would go in here, for example, if maybe this ran for 1 month and you want to go in and add news stories the next month, you would simply replace the photo by clicking on it, selecting it in your source code, and do the same with the text. Maybe select the text that you want from the other page that has the full story, and then just bring a few lines over and create your excerpt right here. It's very easy to go in and post to your blog, especially if you're using an HTML editor like Dreamweaver. One nice thing that it does is when you select an item, it highlights it in the code. So that makes it a lot easier. So that's how you can go in and add posts to your blog using HTML.